Hello, Linda Sollars, my beautiful aircraft here. We're getting prepared for our trip over to Oshkosh, the 3 High Wings. Very excited about that. And IndigoSat has been delightful enough to provide us with their tracking units so that you all can watch each plane as we progress on our way to Oshkosh. It'll also give us the opportunity to communicate. And in my aircraft, we'll have a unit that will allow me to text back and forth to my husband and various folks and to send messages, as well as his being able to track us step by step.
This is Grant and Gareth. We're here from IndigoSat today at the Sling factory. We're supporting them with their Try Sling Aircraft Challenge, where they're going over to Oshkosh. What we're doing today is we're handing over 3 aircraft trackers. So it's these portable units that are going to get installed into the aircraft. These units will give them full tracking on their route across to Oshkosh. It will give them two-way text messaging back to the platform so that they can keep their friends and family and the people here at Sling connected with their travels, make sure that they're safe. And then further to that, we're also putting a Iridium Go inside the aircraft. This will allow them to get full voice communication and texting communication while they're over the ocean. Both of these are using the Iridium network, the full global network that allows them to remain connected no matter where they travel. And yeah, we're just here today, make sure they're getting it all installed into the aircraft correctly, and assisting them to make sure that it's going to give them full safety and communication on their trip. So that's it from us at IndigoSat.
Hello everybody, my name is Dylan. I'm one of the aircraft mechanics here working on Linda's plane, and I'm going to give a quick brief and a rundown on how we install these GPS tracking units for you. This is the antenna and the wires that come with it. The one is the GPS and the other one is the comms wire. If you want it on the pilot side, then you need to mount the antenna in front and then route the cable down the left-hand side. And then there's a small hole coming up where the dash meets the windscreen. The wire will go through there, and then the unit you mount underneath the instrument panel, or on the side where the center console goes through, or on the other side where the outside of the fuselage will mount to, just under the NACA duct. Another thing to make note of that's very important is the antenna itself. It's got this sticker on the front here. This has to see the sky. If the unit is sitting upside down like this, you're not going to get a good reading. So you've got to make sure that this is sitting up and seeing sky. That's why we put the adhesive tape that comes with it on the top and then stick it to the perspex in front of the dash and then route everything down so the wires are out of your way.
Very excited, very appreciative that they've provided us with this wonderful technology.